Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you are new here, my name is BIRANG. Welcome to my channel. I'm extremely sorry for the background noise. Please ignore that. Well, today's makeup tutorial is going to be this eye look which I have specially created for the winter season. And by the way, the holidays are here, the Christmas is here, New Year is almost here. So I created this amazing winter inspired look and I've created the snowflakes as well. So I hope you guys will like this tutorial. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. And those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. So yeah, let's go and let's begin. So I'm going to be using a Pretty Vulgar eye primer and I will be applying it at the front end of my eyelids. Now I have mentioned this multiple times that I have an oily eyelid, so I always use eye primer before starting my eye makeup. I'm going to be putting it up and then keeping it for like few seconds. And then I'm going to be using a loose powder which is from Milani, and then I will be dusting a little bit of loose powder on the eye primer which I put so that the powder can soak in and my eyeshadow does not crease out. So I'm going to be doing this on both of my eyes. Now I'm going to be using the first palette which is from Hip Dot, and I'm going to be taking this Maya shade from the palette, applying this on all over my eyelid. Now this is going to be my transition color. Now why I'm using this as my transition color, because I don't want my eyelid to look plain, so I'm using this Maya color and applying it on both of my eyelids. I'm also creating a outer V shape, so that because I'm going to be doing a little outer V look. Now the next color which I'm going to be taking is this little blue shade from the James Charles eyeshadow palette. Now using a small eyeshadow brush, I would be packing this color on my crease. Now very gently packing this color and then also packing it on my outer V. Doing the same steps on my other side of the eye, just taking the eyeshadow, packing up the color. Now very gently in a circular motion, I will be blending this color out. Now hear me out guys, you don't have to take the eyeshadow color here, just use the same brush and use the leftover color on the brush and just keep blending out this eyeshadow in a circular motion. I'm going to be using a concealer which is Infallible concealer. I'm going to be doing a half cut crease today, and the tips and tricks for doing the cut crease and how to know where is your cut crease point, I have shared this numerously. Please go to my last video on my channel. I have shared the tips and tricks to how to find out your crease line. Moving forward, I'm again going to be using a Hip Dot palette, and I'm going to be taking this Rain shade from the palette, which is kind of a little glittery shade, and I'm going to be applying it on the area where I've just done the half cut crease with my fingers. I've also did this using a brush, but I felt like using fingers is much more comfy and the color payoff is amazing. Now I'm again moving to the James Charles palette and taking this blue color, and do you see this border of the cut crease? It doesn't look nice, so I'm going to be taking this blue shade from the James Charles palette. I will be applying it on the exactly border of my cut crease, and I will be start blending both the colors Rain and this blue shade together so that the borders look like a little transition is happening. Moving back to the Hip Dot palette, I'm using this Ancient color which is a very glittery bluish shade, and I will be applying that color on the outer V of my eye and just very gently putting that color on the outer V and doing the same thing on my other side of the eye, and I'll be very gently in a windshield motion blending this color out. Now from the James Charles palette, I will be taking a black eyeshadow color, very little bit. I will be applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. Now make sure guys, you are not taking too much of black eyeshadow, because this is the point where you can actually mess up your eyeshadow. So just make sure that you are taking very less black eyeshadow and just very gently apply it on the outer V corners and blend it with your blue color so that it gives a little depth to your outer V's. Now using a liquid eyeliner from Color Essence, it's a glitter liquid eyeliner. I would be applying it on the half cut crease just to give a little glittery effect, and doing the same thing on the other side. Now using a NYX pencil, in the shade Deep Blue. I will be applying that on my waterline and doing the same thing on the other side of my waterline. Now using a pencil brush, I will be smoking that out so that it gives a little depth to my eye and looks little neat and clean. I will be curling my eyelashes, and then I'm also using a black eyeliner. I will be drawing a very thin line exactly on my lash band so that when I apply my eyelashes, the lash band and the eyelash line does not look different. I'm also using a Total Temptation mascara, and I will be applying this mascara on both of my eyelashes. Fake eyelashes, today I am going to be using a jade eyelashes from the Huda Beauty, which has been my current favorite. For drawing the snowflakes, I'm using an Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade white, and I will be drawing the snowflakes nearby my eye area. Now you don't have to do exactly same, you can draw wherever you like on your nose area or wherever, but I thought of drawing them near my eye area. Also using a pearl beads to apply nearby my snowflakes so that it looks like the snow is falling. So that's it, you guys. That's my final look. Super quick and easy, right? Well, trust me, this might look difficult, but this look is not difficult. You can just do it in just few minutes. I absolutely love how this eye makeup turned out. By the way, the eye lenses which I'm wearing, they are from Swati Cosmetics in the shade Aquamarine. Absolutely love these eye lenses on me. Well, yeah, that was all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to catch you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and happy holidays. Bye guys.